Welcome back, everybody. This is the Storybee Phonics series. My name is Erin, and today we're learning about the letter X. X is a tricky letter because many words do not begin with X. However, you can find the letter in lots of words, like box, mix, six, fox, and wax. Our special guest words are taco and squash. This is an X. It makes the sound. It's a difficult one, but you can get it. Don't worry. This is a box. Boxes are used to contain or hold things. Box. To mix things together is to combine them. Mix. This is a 6. It's the number that comes after 5 and before 7. This is a fox. Foxes are smart, clever animals with bushy tails. Fox. This is wax. Wax can be melted and formed into many different shapes. People often use wax to make candles. Now, which word does not belong with the others? Is it box, taco, mix, 6, fox, or wax? That's right, it's the taco. Taco does not have a x sound in it. Let's play again. This time is the odd word out: box, squash, mix, 6, fox, or wax. That's right, it's the squash. Good job. That was a hard one. Now, can you find the box? That's right, this is the box. What about the mixer? Can you see the word mix? Yes, you're right. This is the mixer. What about the number 6? Correct, you found the 6. What about the clever fox? Where is the fox? There he is, you found the fox. What about the wax? Can you find the wax? That's right, this is the wax. Repeat after me one more time. Box. Mix. 6. Fox. And wax. Great work. Follow along at storybee.space for more. I'll see you on the next one.